So, you want to get into automation, but what's more important, the robot or the roadmap? Let's find out.
So, your competitor just dropped $250,000 on a new robot, and now you feel the heat, right?
But hold on, before you write that check, you really need to hear this. Get this, a shocking 42% of automation projects get abandoned before they ever even go live.
Yeah, this is the automation money pit, buying cool tech without any real plan for it. And this is what you get, a graveyard of good intentions, a room full of expensive dust collectors.
You've probably seen it. Robots just sitting there, software no one uses, stuff that just gets in the way.
You see technical issues at the top, but that's not the whole story. The real killer, no vision.
See, it's not about buying the wrong robot. It's about not asking the right questions in the first place.
And that's where the roadmap comes in. It's the blueprint that answers those questions before you spend a dime.
This totally flips the script. You start with your goals and work backward to find the right tech to match.
Okay, so what's in this roadmap? It all boils down to answering 5 absolutely critical questions. First up, what are you actually trying to do? Forget buy a robot. Think boost throughput by 30%.
Next, you gotta find the real problem. Where are the bottlenecks that are slowing you down right now?
Third, what's the game plan? You need to roll this out in smart phases to get a quicker return. Something just like this, a phased approach builds wins along the way and, it lowers your risk.
Number 4, and this is a big one. What about your people? You need a plan to get them trained and onboarded.
And last, how do you make sure this isn't obsolete in a year? You gotta build it to scale with you.
Okay, let's make this real. Check out this tale of 2 very different factories. You've got manufacturer A, who just reacted and bought robots, then B, who planned for 3 months first.
And the results? Whoa. After 2 years, manufacturer A was still in the red. B saw positive ROI in 14 months.
So what made the difference? Simple. Manufacturer B spent money on a plan before spending on equipment.
The lesson here is huge. Stop thinking about buying gear and start building a real strategy.
So this brings us to the final question, and this one's for you. Do you have a roadmap or just hope?